It's so great to have beautiful bug pad right at your back door, but let me show you what I have for you inside. Oh, actually, hold on, I can't do a video like this, or I feel I gotta change. Welcome back everyone to another episode of a Calgary Property Tour. Today we are featuring this magnificent home here in Bridlewood at 26 Bridlewood Circle. 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, bonus room with a vaulted ceiling, fully developed and renovated. I would like actually to ask you to stay with me for another couple of minutes, enjoy the tour and meet me in the backyard. Thanks for joining me today again for another property tour. 26 Bridlewood Circle is now on the market. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. And for the rest of my morning today, I'm going to actually just enjoy myself here, swing a little bit, enjoy the view of the backyard and a big deck. But this can be you here sitting and doing exactly what I'm doing right now, hosting your friends and family, enjoying the barbecue, green space, backyard, and everything else. If you would like to schedule a private tour of this beautiful property, give me a call.